The flexibility and scope of costing has been expanded in 2013 to assist in more situations. Let's take a look at some of the key features. Multibody solids are now supported in costing, enabling you to readily estimate cost of designs built up in part documents. When you first launch costing, it lists all the available bodies and notifies you if any of the bodies are not recognized as machined or sheet metal, or if no recognized material is defined. You can exclude bodies as well, like these cast feet. Costing then estimates the manufacturing cost for each body and summarizes pricing on the entire part. We can drill down into each part with just a double click to review the feature cost breakdown or to add or modify operations. In this case, we're adding a custom pattern cutout to the seat. Once the cost is updated, a simple click returns you to the total past cost review. These changes are then automatically rolled up to the top level, where we can also add custom operations such as welds for the assembly of this bench seat to get a more comprehensive cost for manufacture. With SolidWorks 2013 costing, we've expanded our ability to quickly estimate costs for a wider range of designs.